Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy egg salad. First, gather your essential ingredients. 6 large eggs, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. You will also need a pinch of salt and pepper, plus some fresh dill or chives for garnish. Ensure your eggs are perfectly hard-boiled and completely cooled before you begin the mixing process. This simple recipe promises a delightful and quick meal. Achieving perfectly cooked eggs is key to a great egg salad. Place 6 large eggs in a saucepan and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. Afterward, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes. This stops the cooking and makes them easier to peel, ensuring a smooth texture. Now, let's assemble our delicious egg salad. Carefully peel your cooled hard-boiled eggs and chop them into small, even pieces. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the chopped eggs with 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tangy Dijon mustard and 1/4 cup of crisp, finely diced celery. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Mix everything gently until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Your easy egg salad is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill or finely chopped chives. This versatile dish is wonderful served on toasted bread, in a croissant, or even as a light and refreshing lettuce wrap. For the best flavor, chill your egg salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.